Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something super cool and revolutionary, digital product passports. Yeah, you heard that right, let's break it down. So, what's a digital product passport? Think of it as a digital record that tracks every tiny detail about a product's life cycle, from raw materials to manufacturing, distribution, use, and even disposal. It's like having a super detailed label that you can't lose. Why is this important? Well, as consumers, we're getting more conscious about where our stuff comes from and how it's made. This push for transparency is driving businesses to adopt digital product passports. Imagine scanning a QR code and instantly knowing the environmental impact of your new sneakers. Pretty cool, right? Now, this isn't just a gimmick. In 2025, industries like fashion, electronics, food, and healthcare are jumping on this trend. It's all about traceability and brand integrity, and for us, the consumers, it means we can verify the authenticity of what we're buying and track its environmental footprint. Win-win. One major driver here is sustainability. Digital product passports help brands track their carbon footprint and recyclability, so you can make more responsible choices. For example, your favorite clothing brand can tell you exactly where the materials came from and how to recycle the garment when you're done with it. Awesome, right? And here's the best part. Blockchain technology. By using blockchain, these digital records are tamper-proof. This means you can trust the information you're seeing is legit. Plus, it's great for combating counterfeit goods. Just scan and instantly know if that product is genuine. Retailers are also using these passports to boost customer engagement. Imagine access to repair tutorials, recycling locations, and care tips right from your phone. This fosters a more sustainable relationship between you and your products. Big brands are already on board. Patagonia and IKEA are pioneering this tech, documenting sustainable sourcing and providing repair guides. It's all about promoting a sustainable lifestyle. And it's not just brands. Regulatory bodies like the EU are working on making these passports mandatory. So businesses that adopt early will definitely have an edge. In a nutshell, digital product passports are reshaping how we interact with consumer goods. They're making transparency and sustainability the new norm, and that's something we can all get behind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.